Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to another video and today we discuss about angles. It's a part of the basic geometry and now we have discussed about the angle. First of all, look at here, this is the angle. It's with the sides of A, O, A and B. This one the angle and these two are the sides, side 1 and side 2, and this one is the angle, and this point O is called with the vertex. Okay, so types of angles. How many types of angle we discuss about we have the acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle, and the straight line as well. So first of all we discuss about the acute angle. Look at this. Number one, it's about acute angle. So acute angle are those angles which are with the less than 90 degree. We can say that if the angle is less than 90 degree and it's called with the acute angle. For example, 0 degree less than x and less than 90 degree. So it's with the acute angle, and just like this, the acute angle is the shape is yes this one. Look at this. This is the acute angle. So it's with a less than 90. Number 2 is the right angle. So right angle is equal to 90 degree. Yes, exactly. Right angle is equal to 90. So which angle have the 90 degree? We can say that it is the right angle. So right angle, X angle is equal to 90 degree and this one. And this is the symbol of the right angle. Okay, it's with the 90 degree. X is the 90. Next one, so acute done of right angle, and the third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So obtuse angle are those angle which is the greater than 90 degree. Okay, so x we can say that 90 greater than 90 degree, we can say it's the obtuse angle. So 90 degree less than x less than 180. So it's obtuse angle. Okay, so next one, the obtuse and the reflex angle. So obtuse angle is just like this, is with a greater than 90 degree, and reflex angle is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. So reflex angle are those angle which have been the greater than 180 and the less than 360 degree. So it's with the 180 degree less than x is less than 360 degree. So it's with the reflex angle, and reflex angle is just like this. So it's with the reflex angle. It's with a degree. Okay. So it's with the reflex angle. So now we have discussed about the acute angle less than 90. Right angle is equal to 90, obtuse is greater than 90 but less than 180, and reflex angle is greater than 180 but less than 360. Okay, so now, and the straight line is 180 degree, or the vertically opposite angle. So always the vertically opposite angle are with the equal, just like this. We have these two vertical opposite angle and A and B. So vertically opposite angles are equal, and just like this, vertically C and D. So vertically angles are opposite and vertically opposite angles are equal. And now we have discussed about the adjacent angle. So adjacent angles we have same. We have share the common sides, common vertex, and straight lie on the straight line. We can say that this is the adjacent angle. So what's about the complementary and the supplementary angle? So two angles are known as complementary when they add up to 90 degree. For example, if one angle is 20 degree and the next one will be the 70, when you add up 20 plus 70, it's a 90. So we can say that it's a complementary angle because in two angles are add up to make the 90 degree. And what's about the supplementary angle? When two angles are known as supplementary, they add up to 180. For example, if one angle is 360 degree and the next one will be the 120, and 60 plus 120 is with the 180, so we can say it's the supplementary angle. So complementary, in complementary angle we add up to 90, and two angles add up to 90, and supplementary angles we add up to 180. Okay, and look here, we will explain. If we add up 20 plus 70, so it's been a 90 degree, and 20 plus 70, 90. Any two angles have the makeup of the 90 degree, we can say it's the complementary angle. And the next one will be the 60 degree plus 120 degree, and it's be the 180. So this one is the supplementary angle, because these two angles are add up to 180. So hope so students you understand about the angles and the basic geometry. Inshallah in next video lecture we will be elaborate and understanding more and more angles. So you have any confusion regarding the topic of angles or basic geometry, simply you can ask me through my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like and share my channel as well. Thank you.